Welcome back to Hot Car Track, and I've actually named this new track. It's nothing original. I'm actually going to call it Mount Western Speedway, to keep in the theme of the Mount Western thing. And why is it called Mount Western Speedway? Because that's what it is. It's not an open track. It's the fastest car down to the bottom that will generally win. Now, lo and behold, what's turned up is the new track parts that I've been looking for, and I purchased two kits. And I'm just going to go back to what happened before. There's all this low profile stuff which is generally available everywhere, but when you get to a track of this size and with 4 lanes, we need to have the higher profile wall track. Is that making any sense? Just go back and watch some of the other videos. Be careful though, there are some other packs out there that claim to have this high profile wall, and they're not. They're the low profile wall. And how do you tell which is a high profile wall track? Is this little thing here, and that is a hinge. It's quite a nice little design actually. This is the hinge. It's designed so you can fold your track up without having to take it apart. So I don't need this because obviously the track's going to stay put. But you look for this track builder kit with the hinge. In Australia from Toys R Us, this cost me I think 16 bucks. I bought 2 packs plus delivery, which was about, I forget how much delivery was, about $12. So it's the only way that I could really get this track to its completed state, because I'm having issues with the cars coming around and flying off the track because of this low profile wall track. And there was another video where I mentioned cars that had, let me just see if I can find one, hang on. Cars that had the fenders were hanging over the track. This is not, hang on, it might be this one. With the fenders hanging over the track, as you can see there, and as they came into the turn, the fender was hanging over the track, and which was actually hitting the side of my 3D printed part. So this is why we've gone the high walled Hot Wheels track. Wow, what a tongue twister. Just in certain areas of the track. So inside of this kit you're going to get 6 yellows and 6 orange. So, and as I say, I've got two boxes, so that's going to give me 24 pieces. I need 4 pieces per corner, and also NZ Racing has supplied me a whole stack as well. So I think I'm just about there. We've been able to now complete the actual track itself. As you can see, I've got some laid in here. Sorry, it's filthy because I'm still dealing with this diorama. So I've got some high profile stuff here that goes in and out of a turn. Here I'm going to need another 8 pieces. And where else? Oh yeah, and here. Some high stuff here. And also here, going into this first turn, I'm going to need some high profile wall track there. And there was somewhere else, I forget. Oh, it might have been here, going into turn 2. So yeah, anyway, if you do purchase one of these 4-lane curves off me, I highly recommend that you try and locate the high profile wall Hot Wheels track. And I just want to touch on another subject. People have been requesting STL files from me. Now look, I wasn't going to sell STL files because it's a copyright issue where, you know, it might end up in Thingiverse and other people might decide to basically rip me off on my designs. I'm currently tossing around the idea of selling STL files for people that have 3D printers. So yeah, if you have a 3D printer and you think that you can print out one of these things that takes 60 hours, well, you might be able to buy the STL file off me, or a G code. I've just got to work out which one I'm going to go first. The G-code file would be better because it protects my design. STL file is a bit more dangerous because people can come along, remix it, and put it up for sale, which is completely and utterly illegal. And if you do that, you will be busted and you will come down heavy. The authorities will come down heavy on you. Anyway, this is what I'm toying with, the idea of selling all of my products as the STL file for those that have 3D printers. For those that don't have 3D printers, you're still going to be able to buy a finished product and I'll ship it to you. So just look out for that in the next couple of days. All right, there you go. Hot Wheels Track Builder, the fat wall stuff. Get into it. Catch you later.